How are you?
I'm good. Nigerian, I was just asking, how are you? If I say I don't find no solution.
I know, so it's better you just claim that you are good, isn't it?
I'm not good at that.
What's the problem?
I'm not good. I'm concerned about this country. I came as an expatriate to this country, and they know they allow me to do my job.
Wow. So what's your job?
I'm a diplomat. What is it? Diplomat.
Okay.
A diplomat, a foreigner who came to
Diplomize the world.
no Nigeria as a country, especially
really?
focus. We're trying to settle the political disputes and those things.
In a nutshell, on your chakra.
Not.
Oh, not shell. On your chakra.
On your chakra.
What language is that? Let's speak in tongues.
Anyway, do you like Maggi?
I love Maggi. I don't like Maggi. Why? Why I love Maggi is because of I don't take salt.
Okay, you don't eat salt.
Yes.
So, but you love Maggi.
So much.
Wow, Maggi. Congratulations. Why are you laughing? Somebody of your color said he loves you.
Loves Maggi. Myself,
What don't you take?
I don't take ice cream actually, but I like vanilla.
Oh,
I take banana ice cream. I like vanilla.
The combination is perfect, and both of you will make a very wonderful family.
Yeah. Our family we say no. Why no feed they see in the afternoon?
Okay, you don't see in the afternoon.
I don't see at all. No, in the afternoon. I see.
But can you see me now?
I will see you in the night later. I will see you later.
Okay, you will see me later.
Later I will see.
Even at this time, you are not even seeing me.
Anything from 12 o'clock.
So who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
Voice.
I hear sound like somewhere they hear sound. They hear voice, you know they see.
All
Don't
right.
say somewhere no see. Probably maybe somewhere for Bible and Abino. Because for Bible no talk, so you want Abino. For you not to see person, you call him.
But
Don't meet a light. It's an light.
okay.
See, someone was Abino.
Okay, someone was Abino.
If you don't be Abino, why you no see person, you call him? It's not funny. It's not funny. Oh, you are laughing at Abinos.
No, am I right?
Predicament Abinos are going through. You laughing?
No, I didn't. How can I laugh at you? In fact, your color is. You know, a lot of people are buying cream, buying a lot of things to turn themselves to Abino these days. But your own.
And they're tinting their hair too to have this kind of.
To have this kind of hair. If I'm a barrister, I bought a wig. But if I have had this kind of hair, I'm not sure I will go to court with another wig.
My grandfather was a lawyer. Let me tell you, my grandfather was a lawyer. He was in court. They carry on our case come. As my grandfather won't talk, like the other lawyer stand up. My lord. Wait till happen. Judge ask him. He said, my lord, my learned colleague here is not putting on his wig, and my grandfather have been. The judge quickly correct her. Can't you see he's putting on his natural
wig? Wig. So whether you go die for wig, person carry a natural wig, go put a wig, book was an elu, and a wig, nail wig. And a wig, nail wig is. I'm trying to explain that your grandfather is wigged, and they want him to be wigged.
No, which is not good.
It's over wigging.
Yes, so that's
over wigging.
So
congratulations for Maggi.
That's it. Yeah.
Come over.
Actually, soon we're getting married soon, and because other girls are dying after me.
They are dying after. After you.
Wait, to beg. Say, please, let's just do this. I said no.
Now you have a class.
Yes, I have a class.
You have a test.
You are a man with a pedigree.
Never I have no degree. I don't get degree, but I'm a man with pedigree.
Okay, can you now kiss the bride?
What are you looking at? I know well I will kiss you.
No, he can't see. I thought you said he can't see anybody.
If now this one I go see him. Why not go see him?
Okay, you can see this one. But you cannot see me. Go to your bride.
I go kiss him, man. Not the okay. This is not be put on Facebook.
I didn't know if I know. I don't okay.